Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing what you already have. Back up your home layout so you can revert. Once done, pick the launcher or theme app you will use and install it. This determines available styles and gestures. Make sure to grant required permissions for wallpapers, storage, notifications, and accessibility because the app needs them to change icons, widgets, and shortcuts. Now set the new launcher as default so your edits apply immediately, and you won't switch back accidentally. You now reshape the canvas. Change the grid and icon size to achieve the look you want. A denser grid fits more apps, a larger grid gives breathing room. Once you set grid and icon scale, add widgets and resize them, aligning edges and margins for balance. Then create folders and label them for quick access, and assign gestures or app shortcuts so single swipes open key tools. These choices control both aesthetics and how fast you navigate daily. You finish by applying the wallpaper and icon pack that unify the style. Choose contrast and font sizing to maintain readability. Once done, test gestures, folders, and widget updates across screens to confirm nothing overlaps or resets. If something breaks, restore from the backup you made or clear the launcher cache and retry. Make sure permissions remain enabled. If a feature still fails, reinstall the launcher and reapply your settings. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.